Developing leadership skills is a key pillar of Latinos in Action. Rather than simply teaching students about leadership, we scaffold their skill sets through hands-on learning. Students become adept leaders as they participate weekly in leadership committees. They may even serve in LIA presidencies. Let's zoom in on the Leadership Committee. The Service Committee plans meaningful service projects outside of weekly tutoring to help students develop an attitude of lifelong volunteerism, involvement, and pride in their school and community. Projects may include area cleanups, book drives, helping at a homeless shelter, coaching sports teams for at-risk children, or hosting a carnival at their partner elementary school. The Social Committee facilitates interaction and friendships among LIA students, the student body, teachers, parents, and the community. At the beginning of the school year, they will plan and host a parent night. This committee has also planned a scavenger hunt, dances, and back-to-school retreats. They may also recognize classmates and teachers' birthdays. The Professional Committee is charged with planning activities that foster college achievement, career exploration, and professional behavior. Some examples are college campus tours, workplace site visits, mock interviews with local professionals, guest speaker invitations, presentations to city councils, and workshops on interviewing. Financial aid and resume building are also the responsibility of this committee. At the start of the school year, teachers place students in committees. This can be done several ways. One idea is to have returning committee members host small centers with activities related to their committee work. Students would rotate through those centers. After being exposed to each committee, students write down their top 2 choices. Another idea is for the teacher to introduce the committees to the whole class and list sample projects each might focus on, then have students rank the committees they are most interested in. The teacher then assigns students to committees. Committees meet weekly during the class for at least 20 minutes. In their groups, students use the activity proposal form to plan projects or events. They get feedback from the teacher on the initial proposal and then enter the planning phase. At the beginning of the year, the teacher models how to execute a project from start to finish using the activity proposal form. In addition to the leadership committees, there is an LIA class presidency. The LIA presidency structure is another tool that helps students develop and practice leadership skills. The presidency helps the teacher create a vision for the program and motivate students. The presidency is the core support at projects and activities. There is a president and, on occasion, 2 co-presidents. Then there are vice presidents for each committee, a historian, and a secretary. You may choose to add additional positions as you feel it is necessary. All members of the LIA leadership team should model the behavior and language of a leader. They should motivate and empower others and always speak positively about all members, the teacher, and the school. Leaders attend meetings and actively take the initiative to help solve problems.
Hello, my name is Miguel Morales, and I am the president of Latinos in Action. As a president, I work directly with the LIA teacher and other school leaders. I help build unity not only in the LIA presidency, but also with all the students in the program. I am the one who leads our meetings and helps us follow the agenda. When it's time for decisions, I counsel with all the presidency and our teacher and help us reach a unanimous decision.
Hello, my name is Cecil Campo, and I am the Vice President of Service. I advise and support the LIA President. I also help organize activities planned by the Service Committee. I may lead the Service Committee in class. If I do, I help us get things done by delegating assignments to committee members and following up on those assignments.
My name is Fatima Santos, and I'm the Vice President of the Social Committee. My role is similar. I also advise and support the LIA President. I help organize the activities planned by the Social Committee. I may lead the Social Committee meetings in class. If I do, I help us get things done by delegating and following up.
Hello, my name is Christopher Mora. I'm the Vice President of the Professional Committee. I lead the same way, but for the Professional Committee. I also advise and support the LIA President. I may organize activities planned by the Professional Committee. I may lead professional committee meetings in class. If I do, I help us get things done by delegating assignments to committee members and kindly following up on those assignments.
My name is Angel Lopez and I am the secretary. My position is vital in helping us stay organized and make our goals a reality. I organize the LIA presidency by sending meeting reminders. During our meetings, I take minutes or notes of what we discussed and the action items or what people promised to do. After the meeting, I email those minutes to the LIA presidency and teacher. I may also help our teacher track vital information such as students' service hours and extracurricular activities. There are other cool possibilities for my role. I may manage an LIA calendar and send messages or reminders to students.
Hello, I'm Melissa Mayeen. I'm the historian. I take pictures at our events and send those pictures to the LIA administration office, along with posting them to the accounts. Often I help publicize our events, and at the end of the year, I create an LIA slideshow.
The secretary distributes the agenda, which has the minutes from the last meeting at the top. The president leads the committee through the agenda. Each presidency member reports back on their previous assignments. As they make plans, the president helps delegate assignments. You, as an LIA teacher, have the latitude to adapt this structure to meet your school's needs. As you adapt to your needs, you will start to develop best practices that you can share with other teachers and LIA classes. As we facilitate these leadership opportunities for students, they will use the skills they develop in other areas of their lives. They would be more confident participants in group work in other classes. They may choose to run for student body positions, lead out in initiating projects that aid the community, and invest their strengths back into their communities. In this way, they add immense value to their LIA class and also to the world. The energy and desire to make a difference was already there. They just needed the tools and training to be able to develop and share them.
Our students are hungry. They're hungry for many things. And you'll hear me say this a lot. I really believe that true leadership comes not from those who necessarily seek that position, but from those who can position themselves to serve those who seek. And our youth seek many things, and they seek not only acceptance, but they seek so many other things that they need guidance on. And you positioning yourself here at this moment, at this time with Latinos in Action, creates many leaders among them, but also it says a lot of you. And I really believe that you're a true leader in this environment. And so I welcome you, and I'm excited for everything you're gonna do.
After leaving high school, students continue to use the leadership skills they've developed while in LIA to do even more. They become lifetime leaders.